Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? That's a 12-inch planter at the bottom. And this Creeping Jenny is running out like nothing I've ever seen before in my life. It looks absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Guys, these are torpedo pots. See that top pot up there? These are self-growing planters. They grow your food for you. You don't have to do anything. I wanted to let you see how beautiful these plants are because they're growing these plants. And they've been doing it since January, February, March. And I haven't done anything. All they do is supplement. They've been running by themselves. People would think that I'm home all the time, but half the time I'm on vacations. Torpedo Pot is a self-growing system that grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Look how beautiful these plants are. They constantly flower and come back. And guess what? These are only 9-inch planters. Constant bloom from 9-inch planters. And then we have a 12-inch planter here. Guys, this is absolutely unbelievable. Let me see if I can just pull it back so you can see exactly how bountiful this plant really is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Guys, look at that. That's amazing. Torpedo pot. These are self-growing flower pots. Underneath all of this, guess what? Look. There's our insignia right there. It's torpedo pot. All you do is put your plants and your seeds in this flower pot, and before you know it, you got the biggest carbon sequestration product in the world. Well, you can actually grow all of this from that one pot. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Now, you would think by weight ratio that this pot will be diminished in terms of soil, right? By the way, these are torpedo pots, guys. They grow your food with no human intervention. You see how much soil is left in this planter? It's a lot. And it looks good, too. It's healthy soil. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is so beautiful. Oh, my gosh, that's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. That soil's so rich. So rich. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. How you doing? I don't mean to disturb you. This is Torpedo Pot. These are self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention. And all you do is turn the knob on the planter and your food grows for you. You'll never have to do anything or come out ever again. This Creeping Jenny comes back year after year after year after year. And I don't have to do anything. All I do is set it and forget it. Torpedopot.com.